Guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to talk to you about skincare and how I layer my serums. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you keep on watching. Okay, the first thing that I start off with after I cleanse my face, I don't do a lot of toning and things because I do that at night. So in the morning time, I do not repeat it because I do have dry skin. For those of you that do not know, I have dry skin. It is, especially around this winter time, it is so aggravating. It's itchy, it's dry, it's just a mess. I love winter, but winter on my skin it's like, whew, all of that. Anyway, so once I do all of that, I cleanse my face. And this is new because I just purchased some more, honey. I love my goPure serums. I used this serum before I was even an ambassador for them. Now I'm an ambassador and I love it even more. I mean, I just love goPure serums. And this is the Vitamin C Serum. It has vitamin E and tea and green tea in this serum. So just use one droplet full, and I take it and I just pat it into my skin. I kind of just mash it into my skin. My skin is still damp at this point, so I'm mashing it into my skin because water automatically kind of just goes into your skin, seeps into it. So I feel like when my skin is damp, the product is easy. It makes it a little bit easier to actually apply and penetrate into your skin, which I really need. I really need these products to penetrate into my skin. So that's the first one I start off with. And let me tell you, the good thing about these serums from goPure, and I will have everything about them and the items that I have listed in the description box below, is that on the box, it actually tells you step by step how to apply the serums, in what order. And I love that. I love that it actually shows you how to do that. So vitamin C first. Next up is my hyaluronic acid. Again, I always start with one droplet. I'm actually patting it into my skin. I love just the patting. It just feels so good and hydrating. And this has vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea in this hyaluronic acid serum, and I love it, love it, love it. The next thing up is I always use collagen. Now this is Advanced Clinicals, and you can actually purchase this from Walmart. This is where I bought this one from. It says Instant Plumping Serum. But lately I'm using this one that came in my BoxyCharm, and this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've been using this in that order. So after my hyaluronic acid serum, I apply my collagen. Once I apply my collagen and everything is feeling good and I feel hydrated, my skin feels moisturized, I follow up with my moisturizer. This is the next thing, my Vitamin C Moisturizer. Now, the only reason why I'm using this one right now too, because I do love goPure, but I haven't had a chance to use this one because I ran out of my NeeCJae dry skin moisturizer. I love NeeCJae as well, and I do love this vitamin C cream, and it has shea butter, jojoba oil, and green tea. And this, and let me just show you how this looks. This skin is feeling hydrated and all of that good stuff. And then once my skin feels hydrated and it's moisturized, now I go in with my SPF moisturizer, okay? Some from NARS, a BB cream, CC cream, something in it that has a SPF of 30, okay? I go nowhere without my sunscreen. Daytime, sunny, rainy, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have my sunscreen. So now, once the sunscreen is applied, that's when I go in with my facial oil, okay? That seals everything in. It keeps everything that I've just did to my skin, seals all the moisture in, and keeps it looking hydrated and feeling hydrated. That's the most important thing. feeling hydrated, because in the wintertime my skin can really just feel dry, okay? Dry. Anyway, guys, that's basically it, what I do for my skincare regimen and how I layer products. It just really depends on your skin too, but like I said, the good thing about goPure serums is that, you know, the directions on how to apply them are on the box, and that's just great to me, because sometimes when you don't know and you're trying, you're experimenting, you need to have a little system going. Once your skin gets used to its rhythm of what you're doing in the system, you'll see a big difference in how your skin actually looks and how it actually feels. So I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. I see that I have some new subscribers, so hey, welcome to the NeeCJae family. Anyway, guys, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you taking time out to watch my videos, and you know my oldies and goodies, and thank you so much. You know who you are, just for taking time out each and every time I upload a video. I greatly appreciate it so very much, more than you ever know. Anyway, guys, that's it. Go on over and check me out on www.NeeCJae.net. I'm on all social medias. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and what else? Twitter. I think that's it. Yeah, all of them. Check me. Again, you know, I will keep rambling and rambling and rambling. Okay? Peace and love until next time. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.